So for this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the data. The user can long click the list view, and then it's going to pop our alert dialog, and then they will going to ask the user, you want to delete this beverage or not. If they confirm the action, then it will delete the beverage. So let's go to the Android Studio, go back to the onCreate method, and then we're going to create the listener for the long click listener. Okay, I'm going to return true. So when user have long click the list view, I'm going to display a alert dialog. So how to do it is you declare alert dialog dot builder alert dialog builder equal to new alert dialog builder. Pass in the context, which is min activity dot this, and then you can start creating it. First, set the title, remove beverage, and then set the message. So you're going to ask the user, do you or are you sure you want to remove the beverage? So I'm going to show the name which we already store in the beverage array dot maybe the ID beverage ID dot get based on the position. I'm going to change the I to the position. So you know this will be returned based on the which order of the list view have been selected. So if the first one selected is going to return the 0, 1, 2, 3, and so forth. And then we're going to give the negative button, which is they will say no, they don't want to delete. So after they click the negative button, you should have the event listener also for the dialog interface. So for me, I'm going to tell them action is cancelled. ELD. If the user is select the positive button, mean they want to delete it, then you should delete the beverage information for the database. So from here, I'm going to declare the beverage, and then new beverage. I only need the ID. So the ID already stored inside the beverage ID array, and then get the position, and then dot to string, And remember the ID is in the integer, so you're going to pass it dot pass. If you have error, make sure that the position is declared in the final keyword. After that, I should pass the delete beverage method. So I'm going to pass the beverage inside the delete beverage method. So let's go to the delete beverage. Let's declare the beverage. We're going to take the beverage. To delete the beverage is quite easy. So remember, call the room database, and then you call the tile, and then you call the function. Pass the object you want to delete. So this is how you delete it. Again, remember this is the accessing the database, so you need to make sure the code is right in the background. So new thread, new runnable, pass this thing inside the run method so that this code will be run in the background, and then make sure you have start the thread. And also it's going to show the toast message, the beverage deleted, removed maybe, and then we'll get all the beverage back and show inside the list view. So remember this, you have to make the declaration using the final keyword. So let's try and run your application to see what happens. So when you click the long key on the list view, when you long click the list view, it's going to show you the dialog, but it didn't happen. Let's check our code. This is because we haven't shown the alert dialog. So remember the show the dialog using the .show method. So let's try and run again. Okay, long click the list view. It's going to show you a dialog box. You have the title, have the message, and also the yes and no button. If I click no, nothing will happen. If I click yes, the beverage will be removed from your list view and also the database. Okay, this is how you do the CRUD inside the Chrome database. Congratulations, you have finished the app. So thank you very much. See you in the next series of the video.